Hey crafty friends, this is Jenny from crafttestdummies.com, and today I am playing around with the Wonderfall Die Set from Tonic Studios. I have to tell you, I've always loved the idea of these waterfall cards, but they are intimidating to me because I've never known how to make them. So they offered me a chance to take this and play with it, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is going to be perfect for holiday cards. So I just want to kind of go over what you get in the die set because there's a lot here. So I already took it out of the packaging so we could take a look at it. And what you get is the actual structure die itself. Notice that it is pretty big, but it will still fit on an A2 card front, but it has the little pull tab at the end. It has a little slit already pre-cut for you, and then these are score lines so that you can actually get your waterfall. It also comes with the tab with the score lines in it. So this creates the little bracing part that will hold everything down. And then there are so many extras. So it comes with a set of graduated stitched dies. Now, these come in all different sizes, so if you wanted to, you could make a waterfall that had graduating sizes that opened up and flipped, or you could use all the same size. It's up to you, but I do want to point out that it die cuts it out, but it also has this cute little embossed stitching line. Now, if you really want to make that like super extra, as my kids would say, there is also a set of kind of embossed, well, these are dies. They're like a lacy filigree die. So here's one that does the inside. Here's one that does the outside. So if you want to nest these together like so, you can. And I will, cut this out just to see what it does. But it gives you, again, some more options to make like little windows or picture frames. Also in this kit, there is a banner die. This is a little cute banner that has embossed stitching and little tails. It also has a secondary die that nests inside, also with the stitching detail. This will allow you to maybe cut this out in a color and then this cut out in white and stamp on top or pop it up. Or, yet again, another filigree die that would nest inside. So you could cut this all out at once and make like a little filigree action. Actually, on the packaging, they show some of the options here. So here, remember I told you about that little filigree thing that's going on? So this one, and then you can kind of see right there what that filigree kind of looks like. Now, the only thing that it doesn't come in the package is how to do it, so I'm going to take you through that next.
So this is the card I made. If you want to see the step-by-step on how to put this card together, please click over to the link in the card section or in the end. You'll see it, and we're going to go through this step-by-step, the products I used, and how to get the wonderful effect. So thanks so much for watching, and have a crafty day.